Here's how to unhide posts on Facebook in less than 2 minutes. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile menu icon in the top left corner. Now expand the Settings and Privacy section down below. Then tap on Settings from the top. Here, scroll down until you find the Your Activity section, and tap on Activity Log under that section. Now expand your Facebook activity from the menu. Look below and tap on Manage Posts. Here, tap on the Filters option. From the bottom pop-up menu, tap on Categories. Now select Posts Hidden from Profile. Here you'll see all the Facebook posts that are currently hidden from your profile. To unhide any post, tap on the 3 dots next to that post. From the pop-up menu, tap on Add to Profile. And just like that, the post will be added back to the profile.